Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Hot dog on a stick, from nostalgic treat to timeless icon. Nothing screams fun and nostalgia quite like hot dog on a stick. Born in 1946 on the sunny beaches of Santa Monica, California, this simple yet genius concept turned a fairground favorite into an unmistakable icon. From its vibrant uniforms to its fresh lemonade and hand-dipped corn dogs, it's a brand that cemented itself in hearts across generations. Whether it's the delicious crunch of the batter or the playful vibe it brings, hot dog on a stick isn't just a snack, it's a slice of Americana. Perfect for a quick bite or a walk down memory lane, it continues to stand the test of time as a beloved crowd pleaser. The origin story of hot dog on a stick. Hot dog on a stick didn't just happen by chance. Its roots reach back to a larger trend in American comfort food, the corn dog. What started as a clever way to dress up a hot dog quickly turned into a brand that would thrive for decades. Let's take a closer look at where it all began. A brief history of corn dogs. The corn dog is a uniquely American invention, combining the snap of a hot dog with the sweet, fluffy texture of cornbread batter. While the exact origins of the corn dog are debated, its rise in popularity is often linked to state fairs during the early 20th century. Vendors sought quick, fun-to-eat foods that didn't require utensils. Enter the corn dog, dipped, fried, and served on a stick. This simple idea inspired Dave Barham, the founder of Hot Dog on a Stick. Barham recognized how much people loved the novelty of corn dogs, but he didn't stop there. He had a vision to turn this humble treat into a handcrafted experience. By refining the recipe, making the batter fresh daily, and keeping things simple, he set the stage for what would soon become a cultural phenomenon. The first hot dog on a stick stand. In 1946, Dave Barham opened the very first hot dog on a stick stand on the bustling beachfront of Santa Monica, California. With its prime location near the Pacific Ocean, the stand quickly caught the attention of both locals and tourists. Children were drawn to the fun food on a stick concept, while adults appreciated its nostalgic, feel-good flavor that brought back memories of carnivals and fairs. Barham didn't just sell corn dogs, he served an experience. The visual appeal of the bright, striped uniforms, the enticing aroma of fresh food frying to perfection, and the cheerful interaction from employees all played a part in creating something special. Within just a few years, Hot Dog on a Stick became a treasured stop along Santa Monica's iconic beachfront, setting the wheels in motion for what would later become a national franchise. The role of fun and nostalgia. Hot Dog on a Stick tapped into something deeper than just serving a tasty treat. The brand embraced nostalgia and fun, offering more than food, it delivered a slice of happiness. From the bright red, blue, and yellow uniforms to the carnival-inspired menu, everything about the experience screamed youthfulness and joy. For customers, biting into a fresh, crispy stick of goodness brought back memories of carefree summers by the beach or the joy of eating something so simple it could transport you to another time. Add to that the theater of watching lemonade freshly hand-pressed in front of your eyes, and what you have is a brand built around creating small moments of joy. Hot Dog on a Stick managed to stay relevant by appealing to all ages. For kids, it was fun and different. For adults, it was a nostalgic throwback to a time when life felt just a little simpler. This mix of playfulness and emotional connection allowed the brand to cross generational lines and leave a lasting impression on anyone who walked up to their iconic stands. The allure of the simple menu. Hot Dog on a Stick has mastered the art of doing a few things exceptionally well. Their simple, focused menu is a testament to quality over quantity, offering timeless favorites that customers can count on year after year. Let's take a closer look at what makes their menu so special and why it's been a go-to for generations. Signature food items. At the heart of the menu are the items that made hot dog on a stick famous. The classic hot dog on a stick is, of course, the star of the show. Hand-dipped in a golden cornbread batter and fried to perfection, it's a bite that's crispy on the outside, warm and savory on the inside. This is comfort food in its purest form, a simple yet satisfying combination that keeps customers coming back. But they don't stop at hot dogs. Their cheese sticks add an undeniably delicious twist. Who doesn't love gooey, melted cheese encased in a crunchy, golden shell? It's the perfect option for cheese lovers or anyone looking to mix things up from the classic. And let's not forget their signature lemonade. Whether you prefer a classic, cherry, or any other flavor on the menu, this refreshing drink is the ultimate pairing. Freshly hand-squeezed every day, their lemonade provides a burst of bright, tangy flavor that balances the richness of the food. It's no wonder it's a customer favorite. Focus on quality ingredients. Hot dog on a stick doesn't just rely on nostalgia, their commitment to quality is just as impressive as their history. Every item on the menu is made using fresh, high-quality ingredients to deliver maximum flavor. For starters, their hot dogs and cheese sticks are dipped in a batter that's freshly mixed daily. This kind of attention to detail ensures a crisp, consistent coating that never tastes stale or artificial. Their hot dogs are carefully sourced for taste and texture, offering that familiar snap when you take a bite. Even their lemonade stands out because it's 100% fresh squeezed. There's no powdered mix, no shortcuts, just real lemons, sugar, and water blended to perfection. That commitment to fresh ingredients doesn't just elevate the flavor, it shows respect for their customers by offering food and drinks they can feel great about enjoying. Consistency over the years. One of the most remarkable things about hot dog on a stick is their unwavering consistency. While food trends come and go, they've stayed true to what made them popular in the first place. The simplicity of their menu and the quality they're committed to delivering hasn't wavered over the decades, and that's exactly why customers keep coming back. You know what you're getting when you visit, there's comfort in that. It's like revisiting an old friend who never lets you down. People trust hot dog on a stick because the recipes taste the same as they did years ago. The batter is still just the right amount of crispy, the lemonade still has that perfect blend of sweet and tart, and the experience still feels like a slice of happiness on a stick. In a world where many restaurants try to keep up by constantly rebranding or expanding their menus, hot dog on a stick proves that sticking to what you're great at can be a winning strategy. Their loyal fans, and newcomers alike, appreciate the reliability and simplicity that's hard to find elsewhere. That's the beauty of their menu. Timeless, dependable, and oh so satisfying. Hot dog on a stick is more than just a quick snack. It's a cherished symbol of American culture. Its unique combination of fun, family memories, and delicious food keeps customers returning year after year. The vibrant stands and friendly staff create experiences that go beyond the meal, tapping into the joy of nostalgia. As the brand adapts to modern preferences while staying true to its roots, it continues to foster connections among generations. So the next time you bite into a hot dog on a stick, remember that you're not just enjoying a treat, you're partaking in a history of happiness that spans decades. What fond memories do you associate with this iconic snack? Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.